United States immigration authorities announced on Wednesday that they will now examine social media accounts when reviewing visa and residence permit applications. The new policy will deny visas or permanent residence to individuals who post content deemed anti-Semitic by the Trump administration. Social media activity that supports groups classified by the US as terrorist organizations, including Hamas, Hezbollah, and the Houthis, will be considered anti-Semitic. The move follows the administration's recent actions to cancel visas for students in the US, despite the constitutional protection of freedom of speech under the First Amendment. Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem stated that those advocating for anti-Semitic violence or terrorism under the guise of free speech would not be welcomed in the country. The US Citizenship and Immigration Services will now factor in social media posts that endorse or promote anti-Semitic organizations or activities when determining visa and residency benefit. The policy will apply to student visas and green card holders. Secretary of State Marco Rubio revealed that the US has already revoked visas for around 300 individuals and continues to do so regularly. Some people who have had their visas revoked dispute the claims, saying they were not involved in anti-Semitic activities but were affected due to their participation in protest. One of the most high-profile cases involves Mahmoud Khalil, who led protests at Columbia University in New York and is facing deportation, despite being a permanent US resident. The Trump administration has also cut federal funding to universities that it claims did not adequately address anti-Semitism during protests related to the Gaza conflict.